Today we're going to create an infographic using Google Slides. So first thing you need to do is open up Google Slides, and then we want to make this page long and tall. So we're going to go up to File, click on File, Page Setup, Custom, and we can make this 10 inches wide by, let's go for 25 inches tall. We want to choose a background color, and let's go today with a light purple, and on layout we want to choose blank. We need to be able to use all of these tools up here to create lines and shapes on our page. So first I'm going to create one long straight line. To create the thickness of it, I'm going to choose a larger point. I'm going to change the line color to a bright purple. And now I can add extra lines that will go out to the side where they will connect to my boxes. And I want this same size line several times. I'm going to make sure that it's purple. And then I am going to copy with Command C and Command V. And in fact, I believe that those lines are a little bit too narrow. So I'm going to change the line weight to 8. And I'm going to recopy and paste so I get thicker lines. And I can keep going all the way down. And now I'm going to add some shapes. So I think that I will go with circles today. I'm going to hold down the Command key to get perfectly shaped circles. And to color this circle here, I need to go to my paint bucket, and I'm going to go with, let's go with a green circle. I'm going to Command C for copy and paste that circle a few times. Etc. all the way down my timeline. But I'm actually going to go with different color circles as we go down to make it more interesting, etc. I can go all the way down. Now I can add my text boxes so I can create dates. Now because this is not an essay or something typical, I can put my numbers in here really big. I'm going to change the font size, and I can go with something like this. That would be okay, but maybe I want to make it even bigger and a little bit crazier to make it more artistic and interesting. I'm going to make my text box bigger, select my text, and then instead of going to like even 96, I'm going to try out 125. Let's see what that looks like. I do like that, but I'm not so interested in the Arial font because I use that all the time. So let's go with lobster. Okay, that looks a little bit more interesting. Now I also want to change the color though of that. I don't want it to just be black because I want it to match with my other colors. To change the text color, you need to go to the font, the letter A, to change the text. And let's go with really bright purple. Okay, and I'm actually going to copy and paste this text box and put several of them on my page, and then I'm going to change the dates. So that's actually a really fast way of creating this. And as I create my timeline, my first time will be the oldest date, and then maybe I have a date that's 1936, and maybe another one that's 1965. Let's try 1985, etc. as I go down. make sure you retitle your presentation to Infographic Camera Timeline.